Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C-15 flooring and floor covering license and exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C-15 contractor license? A C-15 license is issued to a contractor who prepares any surface for the installation of flooring and floor coverings and installs carpet, resilient sheet goods, resilient tile, wood floors, and flooring. Now, there are some basic requirements. You have to be over the age of 18, have a valid driver's license and social security card, and not currently be on probation or parole. There are also some experience requirements, having 4 years of full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and document that experience, such as another licensed contractor, an employee, or a supervisor. Now, what to expect during the test? It is closed book inside the testing facility, so no reference materials can be brought in, no notes, no books, no nothing. The questions are formatted in a multiple choice, A, B, C, D. There are some mathematical computations and a calculator is provided. The testing is done on site and the results are immediate. Now, this exam is broken down into 8 major sections, with planning and estimating covering about 26% of the questions. Subfloor evaluation and preparation, 17%. Carpet installation, 14%. Resilient goods and rubber flooring installation, 12%. Laminate flooring installation, 8%. Wood flooring installation, 10%. And safety questions covering 13%. Let's take a look at some sample questions you might encounter on the exam. When installing carpet on stairs, in which direction should the pile point? D, down the stairs. What procedure should be used when the contractor finds a hump in the concrete substrate? D, grind the hump down to level it. And 3, which of the following hardwood surface finishes would be best for kitchen floors? D, urethane. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of A, B, C, D questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.